Hello everybody, this is the Game Day Masters Blender tutorial for beginners. So this is the part 2. We created this cup. Now we need to create the coffee inside it, and we need to create other objects too, like the saucer. So let's just first create coffee. So coffee is not going to be any liquid simulation, but we're going to be adding a circle. Let's just do the location to 0. I'll tell you a reason for that. Let's just do everything to 0. Now when you've done it, you press the numpad slash to, I should just enable the screencast keys. So you should press the numpad slash to go like here, and now you go to the local view. Now you go to edit mode, and now you press E and right click, then S, and make it a little bit small. Then you make it a little bit up, then press E, right click, then you size it a little bit small. Now you make it a little bit up. Now when it's done, you again press E, right click, size it smaller. Now you can do it a little bit more. Take it a little bit up, and now a little bit more. Now you're going to press E, right click, size it smaller, and now you take it a little bit more up. Sorry for my voice. Now you're going to press E, right click, and press Alt plus M and add center. This is going to merge it in the middle. As you can see in mine, it's merged in the middle. Now what we're going to do is now we're going to press smooth, and we're going to be adding the subdivision surface modifier to 1 level. This makes it a lot smoother. Now let's go down there and see a coffee, well, looking hot. So now you're going to be sizing it small according to the cup and bringing it up. Good rhyming again. Sizing it small according to the cup, bringing it up. Now we need to make the saucer. The saucer will be also made according to this kind only. So you need to press Shift plus A, and then you add a circle again. Let's just circle. Make the location to 0, because the local view just concentrates on the object. So I prefer that the 0 is a better view for anything, because it's at the center. So it's better. So now you press numpad slash, go in the local view. This time what we're going to be doing is we're going to be just pressing F. Now we're going to go to object mode and modify solidify. After that, increase the thickness till this level. Let's apply. Now you go to edit mode, go to face select mode. Select one face at the side and press Alt plus right click, and it will select all of them. Press E, right click, S, and now you size it up, and now you just make it up. That's how a saucer is. Now you go to vertice select mode, select this one, and now press Alt right click, press size, and size it up. Now CTRL plus B, and do it a little bit smoother. Now press smooth, and it will go out smooth. So now bring the plate down to just attach it. Let me see, where is it? Should be accordingly. According to me, it should be here. Yeah, it's the perfect place. Now let's just add a plane, middle plane, to get our view done almost. So let's shift plus A, add in a plane, and now you just get it down, and now you just take it up till this level. Now so it's done. You need to press S and size it up as much as you want. For now I would prefer it till this much only, because you don't need a lot. So you'll see a very beautifully crafted cup. Let me go straight, and it has a lightning. This plate is there. So in the next video we're going to be learning how to add materials to this coffee, how to make it look like a realistic magnificent cup. So to do that, you need to follow this tutorial series till the next video. Thank you for watching this, everyone.